Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It is a Rubicon. Pretty awesome vehicle. It does have the soft top and it is black in color. It does have the cattle guard in front with the 12,000 pound winch. It's got steel bumpers, front and back. Very nice vehicle. It's got the trailer hitch on the back also. Inside the vehicle does have leather and fabric combination. Power windows, power locks. It's got the 7.5-inch screen, which is got AM/FM satellite radio and navigation. There's your window controls, air conditioning, and this is a manual transmission, 6-speed manual. Also has cruise control. It only has 32,661 miles. This is a one-owner, clean Carfax. Very nice vehicle, very well maintained. If you'd like more information and pricing on this vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. This is an awesome vehicle and you'll only find it at Firkins.